Okay, who is here? Junior 4. Yusuf? Yasin?
What?
Okay. So, we just wait a few minutes for our friends to join us. But please, Junior 4, I want your booklet to be with you.
With me.
Okay, thank you, Yusuf.
You look.
You feel cold? Yusuf? Thank you. That's me already. Okay, so Junior 4, now we're gonna start our session, and please be silent and don't speak without raising your hands, okay? So you know how to make a wave if you want something, okay? Now let's start. We're gonna start with chapter 7 and lesson 1, okay?
بس احنا ما عملناش concept check.
We're gonna make it when we come back in the school, Yusuf. Now let's start. So please, Junior 4, open page 51.
What?
Yeah, open page 51. Okay. So Junior 4, today we're gonna start chapter 7 and lesson 1. Our lesson today is about the area model strategy. We're gonna continue how to make multiplication in many ways, okay? So the first way today, if I want to make, what about Junior 4? If I want to make 3 times 24. Today, we're gonna take how to solve this problem, how we can make 3 times 24. First of all, I have 2 ways we're gonna take it today. The first one, it's a base 10 blocks strategy. You know, Junior 4, if I want to hear this 4 in ones and this 2 in tens, right? Yes.
يعني احنا هنعمل هنا 3 times 4 و 3 times 2 ونطلع الايكوال صح؟
Yes, but we're gonna take a new method.
Okay.
Okay, so this 4 in ones and this 2 in tens. When I have number in ones, okay, I want to represent this number in ones. How can I represent 4 in ones? I'm gonna draw 4 small squares. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And what about if I want represents
تعالى نطلع بره. تعالى نطلع بره ونروح هناك. هو المصحف مولع المايك. اقسم بالله.
okay. So junior 4. It doesn't work with me. Okay, junior 4.
اشرح. ماشي.
Just try to mute all of you because I still hear a voice. That's fine now. Okay, so I have here in ones 4, so I'm gonna draw small 4 squares, and here in tens I have 2. That means I'm gonna draw 2 rod, and I draw rod like 6. So I'm gonna draw 1, 2 sticks. Now I represent 24. So junior 4 again. I'm gonna repeat it again quickly. Okay. To the new comers. So I have here 24. That's mean I'm gonna represent here 4 in ones. I draw 4 small squares, and here I have 2 in tens. That's mean I'm gonna draw 2 sticks. So now I have 24. I represented by squares and sticks. So 24 times 3. I said junior 4, if I want to make 24 times 3, that's mean I'm gonna repeat 24 how many times? I'm gonna repeat 24 3 times. Okay, that's mean we're gonna repeat this draw 3 times. I'm gonna draw this one 3 times. So let's draw this one again. So I'm gonna draw here 4 squares and 2 sticks. Now I repeat this one how many? 1, 2. So that's mean I want to repeat it again one more time. So let's draw it again. I have to draw 4 squares in ones and 2 in tens. Okay, now that's fine. Now I draw how many in tens and how many in ones. We're gonna collect them together. So I have here how many in ones? I have 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I have 10 squares. When I have 10 ones, that means you have how many in tens, junior 4? That means I have 1 sticks. Okay, so now this 10 equal 1 in tens. So how many square here left? You can see how many left? Only 2 square, so I'm gonna write 2. And now let's count how many tens we have, how many stick we have, how many rod we have. All of them are expressions for tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're gonna write 7. So the answer it will be 72. This is the first way to solve the problem. Okay, now I'm gonna clear this. And take the second way. So the second way here, Junior 4, is rectangle area model. And please be concentrate with me in this way, because I'm gonna use this one in the next lessons. So how can I make 23 times 4? Let's see. Okay, so here I have 23 times 4. I'm gonna make a decompose for this 23. That's mean here 3. That's mean here 3 in ones and 2 in tens. So when I decompose 23, it will be 3 in ones equal 3 and 2 in tens equal 20. So that means 20 plus 3. So I'm gonna draw a rectangle like this one, okay? Now you decompose 23 to 3 and 20. So I'm gonna divide my rectangle like this one vertically, okay? So right here 20 up and here write 3. And this 23 times what? It's times 4. So we're gonna write 4 here. So I draw and write 4 in the width of rectangle and the 23 in the length after I decompose it. Okay, so now we're gonna take 3 and 4 together. So 3 times 4 and 20 times 4. So here 3 times 4 equal 12. And now we're gonna make this 4 in the width times 20. So it will be 4 times 20 equal 80. So now we're gonna make this 80 plus 12. So the answer, it will be 92. In the first one here, Junior 4, be with me. I'm gonna solve this one. Okay. Hello, Mr. Yasin. Hello.
Hello.
You are here. Okay, Yasin, be with me. I want to solve this one, okay? I'm gonna help you to solve it. Okay? Okay. So here I have 73 times 4. I have two ways to make this one. I can repeat 73 by ones and tens 4 times, right?
Right.
Okay, but in this question, I want to draw an area model to solve each problem. Draw an area model. Area model means you're gonna draw a rectangle. Okay, so now I want to draw a rectangle like this one. And start with decompose 73. I want to decompose 73. So it will be what and what, Yasin?
One times 3 and 7.
No, Yasin. 73. That's mean I want to decompose. When I decompose 73, I decompose this one to ones and tens. So what you have in ones and what you have in tens?
In ones we have 3.
Yes, in ones I have 3. So here up, I'm gonna write 3. And in tens?
70.
Yes, 7 in tens equals 70. So I'm gonna write here in this side 70. And what about this 4? Where can I write this 4? In the length or width of this rectangle?
In the width.
Yes, here. In the width, I'm gonna write 4. Thank you, Yassine. And Mr. Muhammad Abdul Wahab.
What?
Hello.
Hello.
Okay. Let's continue with me. You're ready? Okay. So
Yes.
now I have here 3 and 4. So that's mean inside the rectangle here, I'm gonna make it 3 times 4. Yeah, super. So 3 times 4 equal?
12.
Yeah, equal 12. Junior 4, please, you can leave your pencil or your pen like we are in the class. You can't write when I am on the board and it's not allowed. So please leave your pen and focus with me. After I finish, I will leave this screen for you to write all the answers, okay? Okay? Mr. Yassine and Mr. Yusuf, leave your pen. Okay, Muhammad, continue with me. Now I finish 3 times 4, and after I finish 3 times 4, it's a time for 70 times.
Yes.
Yes, 70 times what?
70 times 4.
Yeah, super. So how can I make 70 times 4? Tell me.
Get the 0 out.
Yes, thank you. And this 0 will be out. Huh?
And 7 times 4.
Yeah, 7 times 4 equal what?
28.
Yeah,
28.
super. So the answer it will be 200. 280, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now we're gonna take the answer here, 280, and make it plus the answer here, 12. Okay, so Yusuf Magdi. Continue. Now I'm gonna make 280 plus 12. Do it, yalla. يوسف مجدي.
ميس اعمل ميوت تاني.
مين؟ محمد؟
Yes, محمد.
Yes, make it mute.
Miss.
Yeah. Yusuf Magdi. Oh my gosh. Yusuf, make 280 plus 12, please. You hear me, Yusuf? Okay. Something goes wrong. So we have here Ruqayya. Ruqayya, you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. So make 280 plus 12. We start with ones. 0 plus 2 equal?
2.
2. And now move to tens. 8 plus 1?
9.
Yeah. And now move to 100. Here in 100 I have 2, and here in 100 I don't have 100. I have nothing here. So the answer will be
292.
Thank you, Ruqayya. So junior 4, that's mean when I make 73 times 4 by the area model, the answer it will be 292. Now we're gonna move to the second one. Okay. Farida. Farida.
What?
Okay, Farida, now let's make this one together, okay?
Okay.
Okay. You are Farida Amir, right?
Yes.
Okay, I'm just make sure. So let's make 9 times 43. That's mean I should first decompose 43, right?
Yes.
Okay, so let's decompose 43. It will be what and what, Farida?
3 and 40.
Yes, thank you. So I have 3 and 40. So here in the length of this rectangle, I'm gonna write here 3, and here I'm gonna write 40. And what about here, this 9? Where I can write it, in the width or in the length?
In the width.
Yes, so in the width here, I will write 9. Now, let's make the multiplication. So I make this 3 times 9.
9.
Yes, because the area, it's length times width. Area of rectangle, right? So we should make it length times width. That's mean we're gonna make it 3 times 9. So 3 times 9 equal what, Farida?
27.
Yeah, 27. Thank you, Farid. Alia?
What?
Alia, continue. Now I can make what here? I want the area
40.
in the second rectangle. Yes, 40. It will be 40 what?
40 times 9.
Yeah, super. Excellent. It will be 40 times 9. Let's make it together. This
Put the
0 it
zero.
will be out. Huh?
And 36.
Yes, 4 times 9, it will be 36. Is the answer, it will be 360. Thank you. Yasin. Yasin Muhammad.
Yes.
Yes, now I have here the answer 360. Okay, I'm gonna change the color to be more clear. Here I have the answer 360, and here my answer is 27. So what should I do with these two answers? Make it what?
Plus.
Yeah, super. Let's make it plus. It will be 360 plus 27. Do it.
387.
Okay, it will be 380. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Junior 4, I'm gonna leave this question for a minute to write it in your booklet. So do it now, please. Okay, you finish. Now I'm gonna erase this and solve question 3. Renette? Renette?
Yes.
Let's make 6 times 25. First of all, I'm gonna make what?
Decompose the 25.
Yeah, super. Let's decompose 25.
It will be 20 and 5.
Yes, it will be 20 and 5. So here I'm gonna write 20, and here I'm gonna write 5. And what about 6?
in the first, in 20, I will write 20 times 6.
Yes, but first I should write this 6 where? In the width of the rectangle. Okay, I write here 6. So now let's do it. I'm gonna make 5 times.
5 times 6.
Yes, 5 times 6 equal
30.
30. Thank you. Aysel, you hear me? Aysel,
Yes.
okay, continue, Aysel. What should I do next? Make this 20 times what? Make this 20 times what, ya Aysel? Times 6. The what's here. So it will be 20 times 6. Okay, Karma. 20 times 6 equal what?
120.
120, yeah. Thank you. So Cookie, what should I do now?
120 plus 30.
Excellent. I'm gonna make it 120 plus 30.
Equals 150.
Yeah, thank you. It will be 150. So Junior 4, I'm gonna leave this screen for a minute to make it inside your booklet. Okay. That's mean you done Junior 4. Now we're gonna take lesson 2. It's about distributive property. So we took in Junior 3 how to make distributive property. So distributive property, when I have number first and break this number. So here I have 4 here 4 times 7. So I'm gonna break this 7. So it will be 5 plus 2. So now I'm gonna make this 4 times 5 one time and 4 times 2 in the second time. So we're gonna make 4 times 5 and 4 times 2. That means I distribute this 4. So 4, it will be a friend with 5. So the answer, it will be 20. And 4 times 2. And 4 times 2, it will be 8. So 20 plus 8, it will be 28. Here I have 3 times 723. I want to solve this one. It's the same way as we took before. I'm gonna decompose 723. So it will be ones, tens, and hundred. 3 in ones equal 3, and 2 in tens equal 20, and 7 in hundred equal 700. So here 3 in ones equal 3 here, and 2 in tens equal 20, and 7 in hundred, it will be 700. And after I make this decompose, what should I do? I'm gonna make a distribute. 3, it will be a friend with 700, and 3, it will be a friend with 20, and 3, it will be friend with this 3. So 3 plus 3 is 3 times 3, sorry, it will be 9. And when this 3 become friend with 20, so the answer, it will be 60. And 3 times 700, it will be 2100. And after I get these answers, I make it all plus. So in this question here, I have 800. Okay, sorry, it will be 8 times 245. That's mean I'm gonna take the greater number 245 and make it decompose. I'm gonna decompose 5 in ones equal here 5, and 4 in tens equal 40, and 2 in 100 equal 200. Okay, and write this 8 in the width of the rectangle and do the same steps as we do it before. So 5 times 8, the area of this rectangle, it will be length times width. So 5 times 8 equal 40. And here the area of the second rectangle, it will be 40 times 8. It will be 320. And the third one, it will be 8 times 200. It will be 1600. After this, I'm gonna take all of these answers and make it plus. So it will be 40 plus 320 plus 1600. So the answer, it will be 1960. Now let's make the first one here. Here he told you to use an area model. So area model mean we're gonna draw a rectangle. Okay, my rectangle, it will be not perfect. But I want you to use your ruler to draw this rectangle, okay? Don't make it with your finger, like me. Okay, and I'm gonna make a decompose for 548. So it will be 8 in ones equal 8, and 4 in tens equal 40, and 5 in 100 equal 500. I decompose the large number, and now I have to decompose 548 to how many? To 3 numbers. That means we're gonna divide this rectangle to 3 rectangles. So the first one here, I'm gonna write 8, and here I'm gonna write 40, and here I'm gonna write 500. Okay, where can I write this 3? I'm gonna write it in the width here. So now let's make it. the first rectangle here, the area of the first rectangle, it will be 8 times 3. I'm gonna make it 8 times 3. So the answer, it will be 24. And here, the second one, it will be 40 times 3. So the answer, it will be this 0, it will be out, and 3 times 4 equal 12. The third one, it will be this 500 times 3. So I'm gonna make these 2 zeros out and make 5 times 3 equal 15. So after this junior 4, what should I do? I'm gonna make all of these answers plus 1,500 plus 120 plus 24. So let's make it all plus. 1,500 plus 120 plus 24. We're gonna start with ones. So 4 plus 0 plus 0, it will be 4. And 2 in tens plus 2 in tens plus 0, it will be 4. And here in 100, I have 1. 1 plus 5, it will be 6. And here in 1,000, I have 1. 1 plus nothing here, it will be 1. So the answer, it will be 1,634. Now, junior 4, do this one inside your booklet, and question 2, it will be as a homework. Okay, I'm gonna see this one tomorrow. So do this one now. Muhammad Tariq, what you do? You should do this one inside your booklet. You play? You did it? Okay, thank you. So number 2, it will be at a homework junior 4. So now I want all of you to open your camera and show me that you write it. Muhammad Tariq, okay, done. Mr. Abdullah. Rudaina. Okay. Thank you. Ali Yasin, show me. Okay. Karma. Karma, you still use your color. Even here. Even here, ya Karma. Oh my God. Reem. Okay, Yasin, Yusuf. Farida, show me. Okay. Dareen. Dareen Ro'a, show me. Gasser. Tandy. Tandy, you are here? Tandy.
Yes.
Hello.
Hi.